I'm with Deb. I'm going to have to go back and change the thumbnail of what I thought was the biggest boat at the Sanctuary Cove Boat Show. I found something bigger. 92-foot expedition cruiser, Australian-made, steel hull.
Yep, built by Sulis Marine in Brisbane. Steel hull, aluminium superstructure, 24,000 litres of fuel on board, so you can go anywhere.
This is the boat to go to Antarctica, and Deb is going to show us through. So, Deb, let's go through and check out the Texas T.
Come on board.
Bigger than Texas.
So, obviously, we start off with a huge game fishing cockpit.
Yeah.
You've got lots of rod holders. You've got your live bait well. More rod holders here. There's stainless steel reels.
Wow, plenty of room to bring in a huge marlin.
Yeah, it's the one. You've got your station over here with the sink and your board there for prepping.
Yeah.
You've got huge storage. So the engine room has great access, huge lazarette.
Let's go. Let's have a walk in there and
Yeah,
have a bit of a
come
look
have a look.
for people who love seeing the donk of their boat.
So it's powered by dual Cummins engines.
Yep.
But yeah, you've got your workstation, big engine room, you've got that height.
Wow. So this is definitely just off-grid. It's ready to go anywhere, isn't it?
It really is. You've got refrigeration on this side.
Wow.
Freezer here. Another freezer over here. Obviously, we're just using it for storage for the show at the moment.
Yep.
But it's a fantastic space, really workable, really, really great space. And then coming on up, you'll come up to your aft deck here. Great entertaining area.
Oh, nice.
So obviously, this is Australian made, but it was also built with commercial survey in mind. So it's in survey for 90-day guests, and it's got I think 8 to 10 overnight. So that's great.
90,
so you can write it off.
Wow, 90 guests. That is phenomenal, isn't it?
Yeah. So you can have a very good, boat party, dock party, whatever you wanted to do. So come on through. A bit of an Aussie favourite, I feel, is the aft galley layout, and you've got your hopper window, which really gives that really nice flow through. Very social, very good for entertaining. Some really lovely lounge space here.
Gee, this is beautiful, isn't it?
It is one of my favourites. Another nice thing, it's got Tassie oak throughout. So again, you've got that Australian touch.
Nice. Isn't it great that we're still building some things in Australia?
Yes.
Like particularly in the boat industry, there's a few little people who are still going ahead with it.
Exactly, and the South Pacific's perfect for exploring and perfect for boats like this. Great helm. This has Simrad navigation. That was upgraded in 2019. The boat also had a big refit in 2021. You've got some more fitting if you want to observe.
Yes.
Did you want to go down to the cabins, or did you want to go up to the Flybridge?
Let's check out everything, Deb. Let's do
down
the
to
whole.
The cabins. Oh, let me show you this. This is awesome. So there's a day head in here, which is super convenient.
Wow.
But it also has dual access, so you can actually get into it from outside. So if you're a bit wet,
yes.
you know, if you've been in the water, you've been doing stuff, and it's great for day charters with that as well.
Yes, yeah.
So you're not coming through and making a mess of the inside.
Yeah, yep.
So come on down. Well, I might need to turn my lights on. Sorry.
That's all right. It is first thing in the morning. Deb has squeezed in this special interview first thing in the morning.
All right, we'll start with the best. So this is the Midship Master full beam.
Wow.
Great space.
And look at that headroom.
Stunning.
You got plenty of headroom. It's fantastic, isn't it? It's like a hotel unit, really, isn't it?
It really is. It's very luxury. So whilst it's got that rugged capability, steel hull Explorer design, you still got your luxury.
You're kidding me.
A standalone tub.
A bathtub.
And a shower if you're a bit more that way inclined. Very discreet head behind here.
Look, gee, a bathtub. Oh, this is... I've just... the biggest boat has been knocked off the mantle. This one's a
bit of an older girl, but she's so proven. She's amazing.
And plenty of, had
so
kids, and you got another head in there.
Every room is ensuite.
Yeah, so, all right. So even that one, another ensuite. Gee.
Yep. And then this is your VIP forward.
Wow.
So you got another ensuite here.
TV to call the the crew. I'll have another lobster mornay, thank you.
That I just caught.
Yeah, just caught off the...
But yeah, it's 4 ensuite cabins, so up to 8 overnight.
Wow.
We'll go back up here and up again. This is probably my favorite. I love the outdoors, so I love this social Flybridge here that we've got.
Oh, look at the light.
It's really light and bright. It's beautiful space.
You can 360-degree views.
Yep.
Plenty of couches, and this is Australian. These are. Well, I don't know if they are Australian wood. Well, let's say they're Australian.
You've got that driftwood, very nice beachy vibe. The colours that are beautiful. Really, really suits the yacht really well. You've got a wine fridge up here. You've got more refrigeration, an ice maker over here. Yeah, it's perfect for entertaining. You've got another little helm if you prefer this vantage point.
Yeah. And look, you're so high above all these other small yachts.
And this is air conditioned as well, so it can be really comfortable. You can shut it in with all the clears that there are.
Yes.
It's got sound system throughout.
Some river with mosquitoes, you can shut that all off.
And you know that heat, you can get that aircon going.
Yeah.
It's got fuel capacity for unleaded, so for your tenders and your jet skis and things like that. So they're all survey approved. They're on the side, so it's 800 litres in total. Wow. And then you've got obviously your tender storage here. It also comes with a slide, so that's great for day charters. It's a very popular option. So inflatable slide is included in the sales. Actually, up there.
Wow.
But you've got a lot of height.
Yes.
Well equipped. You can see your Starlink up there as well.
No, beautiful, beautiful boat. So if someone was interested in purchasing this boat?
She's currently asking 5.49 million plus GST as she's in commercial survey.
Yep.
But obviously a great option for commercial, up to 90-day guests, 8 overnight in those cabins, so it's perfect.
And do you know of any trips it's done? Like you said, it's done some.
Yeah, so it's done about 80,000 nautical miles under its belt. So most recently been to like the Maldives, been through like sort of Southeast Asia, Papua New Guinea. She's done a lot all on her own. So none of jumping and putting it on a ship or transporting it. She's done it all by herself. And
basically it is the boat to go anywhere. You could do Antarctica, you could do anywhere around the world. Not
an ice class hull, it's a steel hull.
Oh, right, yep.
So, but definitely made to go far and in comfort. And it's so proven. It's reliable. The engines are Cummins and they're super reliable. They're known for that. It's a bit a slower girl for that efficiency. So you're looking at 12 knot top speed.
Yep.
And sort of cruising at 9 to 10.
And do you know that like the fuel? Well, I suppose if someone's buying this, fuel efficiency and things like that, it's not so. The technical issues they can find out elsewhere. Deb.
No, this is about reliability and functionality and being able to go the distance. And as you can see throughout, it's still got the luxury finish.
It has. Deb, I think we'll finish it up there. Thank you for the tour. I'm going to have to go back through my channel now and change. I've found the biggest boat at Sanctuary Cove.
Probably biggest by volume. I think we still have the biggest one with the 97-foot horizon.
We don't even need to look at that one. We're just going to do one on this one.
You can do that.
Deb, thanks.
You can have a look at that one as well if you want.
Thank you for your time, Deb.
You're very welcome.